Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello, Integra enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to make your Acura Integra faster. We'll start by looking at the heart of your car. An engine control unit, or ECU, tune is a fantastic first step, potentially adding dozens of horsepower and foot-pounds of torque. For even more power, consider upgrading your turbocharger, which can dramatically boost output. Remember, with more power, a robust aftermarket clutch is crucial to reliably transfer that power to the wheels. Next, let's talk about how your Integra breathes and exhales. A high-volume intake system allows your engine to draw in more cool air, improving combustion. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system not only gives your car a more aggressive sound, but also reduces back pressure, enhancing power. Adding a performance downpipe and front pipe further optimizes exhaust gas flow, contributing to overall engine efficiency and a noticeable boost in performance. Now, let's make sure your Integra can handle all that extra power. Upgrading your suspension with lowering springs or coilovers will reduce body roll and lower your car's center of gravity, improving cornering. Installing stiffer sway bars dramatically enhances stability during turns. For an even more connected feel, chassis braces can increase rigidity. Don't forget, high-performance tires are vital for translating these suspension upgrades into superior grip and control. Finally, let's explore maximizing your Integra's power-to-weight ratio. Removing unnecessary items like rear seats or the spare tire can shed over 80 pounds. Replacing stock components with lightweight aftermarket parts, such as carbon fiber hoods or lighter wheels, can save dozens of pounds. For those seeking advanced performance, a flex fuel system allows your engine to run on ethanol blends, potentially unlocking even more horsepower and torque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.